Patna, the capital city of Bihar, India, has a rich history that spans over 2 millennia. Originally known as Pataliputra, it was founded around 490 BCE by King Ajatashatru of the Magadha kingdom. Pataliputra became the seat of power for several great Indian empires, including the Maurya Empire under Chandragupta Maurya and Ashoka the Great. During this golden age, Pataliputra flourished as a center of governance, commerce, and culture in northern India, renowned for its grandeur and strategic importance along the Ganges River. Over the centuries, Patna continued to thrive under various dynasties and rulers, including the Guptas and later regional kings. It was a melting pot of cultures, attracting scholars, merchants, and religious teachers from across the Indian subcontinent. During the medieval period, Patna played a significant role in the spread of Buddhism under the Pala dynasty. It continued to be a hub of trade and commerce, connecting India with other parts of Asia. With the arrival of the Mughals in the 16th century, Patna became an important provincial capital, known for its administrative importance and vibrant marketplaces along the river banks. Under British colonial rule, Patna developed as an administrative center within the Bengal Presidency. The British introduced modern infrastructure, education systems, and improved transportation networks, further shaping the city's urban landscape. Since India gained independence in 1947, Patna has grown into a bustling metropolis, serving as the capital of Bihar. It has faced challenges of rapid urbanization but has also seen significant developments in education, healthcare, and infrastructure. Today, Patna is a vibrant city that blends its ancient heritage with modern aspirations. It is home to historical landmarks such as Golghar, Patna Museum, and Mahavir Mandir, reflecting its rich cultural legacy. The city continues to evolve as a hub for education, information technology, and services, contributing to its status as a dynamic center in eastern India. Patna's history is a testament to its resilience, adaptability, and enduring significance in India's cultural and historical narrative today. Patna stands as a bustling metropolis that retains echoes of its ancient past while embracing the opportunities of the modern era. The city has undergone significant transformation in recent decades, becoming a hub of commerce, education, and cultural diversity in eastern India. Economically, Patna has seen growth in sectors such as information technology, healthcare, education, and services. The city hosts several IT parks and is attracting investments in infrastructure and real estate. This development has not only boosted employment opportunities but also positioned Patna as a key player in Bihar's economic landscape. Educationally, Patna is home to prestigious institutions like Patna University, Nalanda Open University, and various engineering and medical colleges. The city has a vibrant student population, contributing to its intellectual vibrancy and cultural richness. Culturally, Patna remains a melting pot of traditions, festivals, and cuisines. The city celebrates various festivals with great fervor, including the iconic Chhath Puja, which honors the sun god and attracts devotees from across the region. The local cuisine, known for dishes like litti chokha, sattu, and various sweets, reflects its culinary heritage and continues to delight residents and visitors alike. Infrastructure-wise, Patna has seen improvements in transportation networks, including expanded roadways and the development of the Patna Metro project aimed at easing traffic congestion. The city's connectivity has been enhanced with modern airports and railway stations, facilitating easier access for tourists and commuters. Socially, Patna is a vibrant community where traditional values coexist with modern aspirations. The city's residents are known for their hospitality and warmth, creating a welcoming atmosphere for newcomers and visitors. In summary, Patna today is a dynamic city that honors its ancient roots while embracing the opportunities of the 21st century. With its economic growth, educational advancements, cultural vibrancy, and improving infrastructure, Patna continues to evolve as a significant urban center in India's diverse tapestry. Like, share and subscribe my channel for more informational video.